Hey guys, welcome back, and today I will be sorting out my garage. So as it currently stands, I've got the Cube, I've got a Wrecking Fiesta, the S-Cargo, the Ute and the KA. Usually what I like to have is I like to have my daily on this side, one of my long-time projects on this side, another one here where the KA sits, and then I usually just have one here from time to time for short term, something that I'm gonna quickly get rid of. Unfortunately, I don't want that on my fake grass over here. So my short term's currently here, which means I've got 3 push back, and it's pretty tight getting in and out. So I have to climb over that every day. So I want to sort that out today. So first things first, I want to get this thing mobilized so I can push it out, get out of the way for the time being, so I can pull it back in just before someone comes to pick it up later this afternoon. So I need to put on one of these spare wheels. Unfortunately, the only other wheels I have for this are 13s, but because this is the Gia model, I believe it has bigger brakes and my 13s don't fit over this. So I've got to take off the brake caliper off one side to put the 13 on so I can actually roll this thing out. So let's do that first. So as you can see, I managed to get the wheel on. I have mounted it backwards just for a bit of clearance, otherwise everything's going to scrub back there. I was going to take the brakes with the KA because it would be a beefy upgrade, and it's really what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, that means we'd have to run bigger wheels because the KA runs on 13s. Only other issue with that is the bigger the wheel we go, the less tyre we have, and I kind of want a lot of tyre because this won't be seeing a lot of tarmac. But oh well, so this is the fitment on it. I'm not really too fussed, it's safe enough to be rolled and that's all we're going to do, so let's do that now. So the Cube has been moved around front and this car's been pulled out. It's not been pulled out all the way, just because I think that'll be enough to pull some of these out. And I don't have the keys, so the steering lock's on. So that'll be fun. But yeah, it's out enough. So I'm just going to tidy up all of this, and then we can start moving cars. First I've got to move the Ute. However, the battery in the Ute is no good. I've been jump starting it all this time. So that's what we've got to do with the KA. So I realised I forgot to mention what my main goal here is. As I said, I like to have the Cube, a project, and something short term. So as it stands, I will have the Cube here, I'm going to have the Ute here, I'm going to have the S-Cargo over here, and the KA in and out. Mainly because the KA moves under its own, it moves, it's registered, and well yeah, so this one's a lot easier to shift around. And it doesn't leak, and there's just too many problems with the S-Cargo, so it's going to sit in the corner until I find time to work on it. Obviously the Ute being my main one, and with this little nugget going, shouldn't have any issues, so yeah, let's get shifting. Alright, so the garage is clean, so we get this one started, get the cables on, get the battery in this one, get it on, and get this one started. It's going to be loud, neither of these have no muffler. sounds better? You let me know. So that one's pulled out. Now we're gonna try and move this one after I clean up this mess. I reckon I can shimmy it without actually having to move the KA any further. So when I said it was easy to move, I forgot I already had a whole bunch of stuff in the back. It's a heavy van. Alrighty, all cleaned up a little bit. Got this in a nice place. I can open the hatch. In the back at the moment, I'm just using it for storage. I mean, it's a van. What else am I going to use it for? Good amount of wheels in there. And yeah, so I'm just about to move the KA over. Just setting up the camera. I didn't know you had such an awesome Ford KA. Well, I don't really post too much of it on my Instagram. Doesn't seem to get a good response. It's clearly not what you people want to see, but this is my 2000 Ford KA Rally. It's a Rally now. We rally it. Well, we're going to be. I've got to put some seats in it, put some harnesses, and sort out the misfiring issue. And we'll take it for a couple of spins. You'll see it more when we actually take it out for a spin, but for now, it's just our mad little car that we keep in the corner. If you want to see more pictures of this or more videos of this, just drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to get some out. And with that, welcome to the garage of That's Mad. Glad we got that sorted. Hopefully this one tonight can disappear. I'll get my trusty cube back in. Until then, I'm gonna pull around front. So yeah, as I said, if you guys want to see any more videos, just make sure you give support on the video, like, comment, subscribe, however you feel necessary. I need to fix the exhaust rattle on this one. I think the whole exhaust is bent, so I might need to pull it out, either replace it, fix it, a new one on. Let me know what you want to see. Obviously we'll roll the guards, and I can do all that on one episode. We've got a new head unit as well, Pioneer, Apple Play, etc, etc. but that should be awesome. I'm gonna put that in. Yeah, if you want to see any of that, just let me know. And then obviously this one, I did actually record a part 3 to my Build Your Own Custom Mute series. But after reviewing it, it wasn't that good, and I just didn't want to post it if I wasn't happy with it, so I wasn't going to share it. But a lot of progress has happened with this. Obviously we've got the import fenders. I've actually got fenders on it now. The bodywork has been started on by me. I make it sound like someone else is doing it. No, I'm doing that. So all the bodywork, filling, there's a few cracks I've got to go over. Got to get some more fiberglass on there as well. And yeah, the rest of the tray I got welded in. Window, just temporary. It's going to be bigger. Because everyone was right, even though the seats mean that's all you can see, and through the rear view mirror that's all you can see, and you don't need it any bigger. It just looks a bit weird. A bit bigger would be a bit nicer. These seats will be changing. Sounds a bit boring, but I'm going to be putting standard Super S seats in there with a twist. You'll see what that is, hopefully, on the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and comment down below what video you want to see next, whether it's a KA, S-Cargo, Ute, or Cube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.